Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets for Online Meditation Classes. So I am running an online meditation class, and to promote my class I am using Facebook Lead Ads, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook Lead Ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create an integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are using Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are using Facebook Lead Ads, and for action, we are using Google Sheets. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for online meditation classes. So as you all know that I am running an online meditation classes named Mindful Solution, and to promote my classes, I am running lead ads. And now I wish that as soon as a new lead is added in my Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create an integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect, and then we are going to click on enter. And yes, you can see that we have successfully opened the landing page of Pabbly. And over here, we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on Access Now. And now it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here which says Create Workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets Automation. And I want to name my workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets for Online Meditation Classes. And now I'm going to click on this button right over here which says Create. And as soon as I click on create, it is opening my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here, we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command of our trigger. And now we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads. And then the trigger event as new lead instant. I am selecting new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the lead and trigger the workflow. And now I'm going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook Lead Ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook Lead Ads. And now I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, we are going to select Mindful Solutions. And for the lead gen form, I am going to select lead gen form. I am selecting this form because I want only the details of this form should be added to my Google Sheets. If you want to create this automation for all your forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. So after selecting my desired form, I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a response for Pabbly. So we'll open a new tab, search for Meta for Developers. And as you can see that we have opened the landing page of Meta for Developers. And now we are going to click on More and then Tools. After that, we are going to select Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And now it is asking me the page and the form. So for page, we are going to select Mindful Solutions. And for the forms, we are selecting Lead Gen Forms. After that, I'm going to click on Preview Form. And yes, you can see that it is asking me the name, the email and the number. So I'll just fill in the dummy details. After entering all the dummy details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our lead has been sent to our workflow. So let's see that Pabbly has captured our lead or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly's workflow has captured our lead. Here's the dummy name, the dummy email, and the dummy phone number that we entered. This means that our trigger step is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select Google Sheets. And for the action event, we are going to select Add a New Row. And then we are going to click on Connect. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheets account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And now after selecting my Gmail account, I'm going to click on allow because Pabbly is secure and we can give it all the permissions it is asking for. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. And over here you can see connected. Now it is asking me the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So as you know, the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of our sheet is Online Meditation Classes. So we'll just select Facebook Leads over here and the sheet name as Online Meditation Classes. And now we are going to map the name, the email and the phone number. So mapping means inserting the data from the previous step, and our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only, that is Facebook lead ads. So we are going to map the name first as dummy user, and then the email, and then the phone number. So as soon as I mapped all these details, these have become dynamic and this will change with every new lead. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that our details have been added to our Google Sheets. So we are going to open our Google Sheets. And yes, you can see as the dummy name, the dummy email and the dummy phone number. Our details have been added to our Google Sheets too. So this means that our automation is successful, but we'll just try the automation once again and I'll give you a real-time example. So I'll open my lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you will not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. And again, I'm going to enter the page and the form. So for page, we are selecting Mindful Solutions. And for the form, we are selecting Lead Gen Forms. And then we are going to click on Preview Form. And again, we are going to enter the dummy details. So I'll enter the dummy name as test user, the dummy email as test@pabblytudes.com, and the dummy phone number as this. And then I'm going to click on next and submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead details to Pabbly's workflow and then further Pabbly forwarded the details to our Google Sheets. So we'll directly open our Google Sheets and check that if the details have been added or not. We'll not go to our workflow again and click on save and send test request. We'll directly go to our Google Sheets. And yes, you can see here's the name, the test user, the dummy email, test@pabblytudes.com and the dummy phone number that we entered. This means that our workflow is successful and we'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger application, I selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, I selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. Then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a dummy webhook response for Pabbly. And then we moved on to our action step. For the action application, we selected Google Sheets. For action event, we selected Add a New Row. We connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow and then we selected the spreadsheet and the sheet. After that, we mapped the details like name, email and phone number. And then again, we clicked on save and send test request. And over here are the two responses that we received during this video. And if you have any query related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching.
Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.